What is a robot made of? At first glance, a robot seems like a very complex machine, but it's actually composed of three fundamental parts that function like a living being: the brain, the body, and the senses. These three components work together as an integrated system to perceive the environment, make decisions, and execute physical actions. Let's start with the senses. The sensors are the robot's eyes, ears, and sense of touch. Their function is to perceive the environment and collect data. They detect things like light with a camera, distance with a LIDAR sensor, or pressure with a touch sensor, and they convert that information into a signal the robot can understand. Then, all that information goes to the brain, which is the robot's processor or control unit. This component receives data from the sensors, processes it using its software and algorithms, makes decisions based on that information, and then sends commands to the robot's moving parts. In more complex robots, this brain is a powerful computer. Finally, the body is the physical part. The structure is like the robot's skeleton, and the actuators are the muscles that move it. They are devices that convert energy into motion or force. For example, the electric motors that move the arms of an industrial robot or the wheels of an autonomous vehicle are actuators. In short, a robot works in a continuous cycle. The sensors perceive the world, the brain thinks and decides, and the actuators act in the physical world. It's a perfectly coordinated dance of perception, thought, and action.